What consecutive to me about what Legend said? I'm confused. Well, this is another DCP, and these are leads as standing around me. He's first to come in. That's a DCP. That's an AP. That's an AP. Mr. Unknown, Mr. Unknown. I'm not gonna go back and forth with you about this situation. This has been going on for literally hours now. After I told you that just wait until I find out and you respond. But now that I got a reply back from the administrator, I gotta do what I gotta do. No, I submitted the wrong one. Yeah.